Hi, do you know the eight wonders of the world? With that wonder, 20 years later, your banks, with the same amount saving, your banks without that wonders 266,000. And with that wonders, it's 467,000, right? How could that be happen, right? Let's walk you through, right? Now first, let's get clear. Right? You can see that what if you don't care and you don't know, or you don't know the eight wonders of the world. Now that is called the interest rate. Now if you don't apply enough of interest rate, the 1%, a difference between 1% to 6%, how would that happen? How would it change, right? Is that, well, for the amount of saving 1,000, right? And at the age of 832, right? And after 20 years, right, at the time you are 51, and that amount, right, and that is year 2038, right, when you are 51, you say that maybe you want to retire, right? Then you are getting 266,000, right, 870. Now, on the other hand, right, this is 266, right, and on the other hand, if you're using if you are earning a 6% of interest, right, then with the same amount of money saving, you get 467,912 72 $112 ringgit and 72 cent, right? And this is the Excel feature of future value, right, in the year of 2038, right? And that's when you're age of 51, you get 467. Yes, it is no wonder Albert Einstein says that this is the eight wonders of the world. So, let's again, right? What if you had saved, um, what if you just save 500, right, a month, right? And that is 133. And after 20 years, right, with that, wonders, right, is 233,000. And that's 133,000, right? And this is how amazing, right? So that is what I want to share with you, right? So, see, even you save 500, right, after 20 years, with that wonders, and that wonders called the compound interest, right? You get 233,956 sitting in your banks, right? Of course, right? It would be good that you save a thousand, right? A thousand, right? So just key in your dates and then you can get this feature all about it, right? So my the reason I share this is that I want to extract, right? As I say here, right, I have a dream to help 200 Malaysians to have a respectful retirement life 20 years later, right? So in the next 10 years, I'm going to help 200, right? So 200 Malaysians is a lot, right? And I'll figure out that is that every year I'm going to serve 10 customers, and then in 20 in in 20 years, right? Sorry, it would be every year I find 20 customers, and then in 10 years I find 200 customers, right? And that is all I need to get to, right, to help. That is my goal. So if you are ready to serve by me, right, then please click the WhatsApp buttons and reach me. Thank you.